Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I want to do a quick flip through and show you a journal I've made for a friend of mine. She's retiring from teaching after many years, and I wanted to make her a little journal, a book, starting the next chapter of her life. So it's kind of a book theme, kind of. But before I get into that, I want you to look at this cover. Can you stand it? Isn't it gorgeous? I'm going to do a tutorial later this week and show you how I did this. I stumbled upon it actually from, I'm just going to show you here in case you want to look for it. It's faux handmade texture paper. It says easy DIY, which it was. It's from Treasure Books. Is the Treasure Books on YouTube, and it is easy, but it is amazing, and I am going to make some more. I mean, just think, you can do all colors, you can put glitter in there, you can, I mean, it's amazing. I'm excited. Anyway, so I'm going to do a tutorial, but also link you to her her tutorial, because it's just, I'm stunned. And then on the cover, on top of that, is a kind of a pouch, I guess, made out of tulle, 2 layers of tulle, and in between the 2 layers I put in some fibers, and I glued them down lightly, and then I sewed the top on, and then I put this fabulous medallion. I am 99.9% sure I got this at oh goodness, her Facebook name and her shop name are different. Hold on, and I always get them mixed up. I want to say the Facebook is, yeah, Junk Journal Addicts is the Facebook group. SM, initials SM, Tiffany Lane is her shop. And I got the medallion and this. Can you see it? It says my story isn't over yet, which I thought was appropriate and really fun for a retirement. And she's a young retiree. She's definitely not. She's in her 50s still, and early 50s. So she's you know, got tons left to do. So she's her story isn't over yet. Anyway, so I got the pages in here. I pulled it up so I could show you, in case you like them. It's North Sea Studios, and it's called Antique Digital Paper, Tattered Backgrounds, Old Vintage Book. And it's just a bunch of book pages, different styles, different types. But I thought it would be, you know, since it's the next chapter, it's a book, you know, you see where I'm going. So anyway, and that's the only paper I used in here, was her digital kit. And then, you know, ledger paper or notebook paper on the back. And then this is some of that really wide burlap ribbon that I thought made a great pocket. And then I made a bunch of little journaling. She was in elementary school for over 20 years, 25 years, something like that. So I thought it was fun to line that with the kids' writing paper. And then some more. Some of it's lined with coffee dye paper. Some of it's, I don't know, different things. Ledger paper. This is one of the pages. And then I found at always, when you go to an office supply store, go to the clearance and look at stuff. I found two, well, there were several. I bought two teacher grade books, real live teacher grade books. And so I put a few pages, probably 4 throughout here in this book. I thought it would be fun for her to, you know, just have a little flashback there. And some of them have gold star on them because, you know, she is a gold star teacher. Here's another of the paid digital pages, and some of the pages I made big pockets out of and put tags or whatever. This is one of them. Isn't that cool? It's really, it actually goes this way. But I like the color of that. Thought it was interesting. Notebook paper, and then another gradebook page. Another one of the pages from the download. I love this. Another pocket with some little journaling cards. And then this is that mulberry paper. And I just lined it with copy dyed paper. Another of the pages. It just looks like old script. And I haven't decided yet what I'm going to put on here. She's not a real lacy frou-frou type of lady, so I'm not sure what to, I was thinking buttons or just cut them off. You know, I don't really know if I've known her for 15 years, but I don't know her well enough to know if she likes, you know, things hanging down and clunky stuff, so I'm just not really sure what to do. And look at this. It's some glasses, and they're on a Tim Holtz, one of the little baby paper clips. Packaging. So this is definitely a writer's journal. I don't know what she'll put in here. I don't even know if she's actually a journaler, but she does fun things. They're very active, and they are involved in some different groups. And so she may want to use it for one of those, or who knows. But I didn't put a lot of stuff in it, because if you're not used to that and you don't like it, I think it can really, when you get one, you don't know what to do with it, because there's all this stuff, and what am I supposed to do with all of this? And it kind of can get in the way. So I did not add a whole bunch of things and clunky things. I'm just not sure what she likes, and I'm just not sure. But anyway, one more look at this fabulous cover. Can you stand it? You're not going to believe how simple this is. Anyway, that is it. Thank you for looking, and I will see you later.